Hi, dear cricket fans. Now we are looking at the Bangladesh cricket team as far as the preview of the Asia Cup. Asia Cup is concerned, and looking at the Bangladeshi squad. Well, dear cricket fans, we have Shakib Al Hassan actually leading the team. Well, Bangladesh, even though they lost the matches against England, I thought now this 50 overs one day internationals is really going to be something that Bangladesh would really like to make some sounds about, because it's very high time. Yes, they have been doing well in one day internationals for sure. And let me tell you, Bangladesh, no team is going to find Bangladesh easy, because Bangladesh is really, really showing signs of tremendous improvement. Even though one thought that they lost the series against England 2-0, but I thought Bangladesh are showing real improvement as far as one day cricket is concerned. Shakib Al Hasan is leading the way. The captain, he is such a wonderful captain, Shakib Al Hasan. The only problem being Shakib Al Hasan is just recovering from he had a sort of chicken pox, and he has recovered from that, but still the off weeks would always be there. Wish him good luck. And then Mushfiqur Rahim is the vice captain, and why not? Mushfiqur Rahim is just 21 years of age, but this bloke plays very well, and he's not afraid to really give the bowlers a real hit down the ground. And Mushfiqur Rahim, let me tell you, is a real asset to the team there, and merits his place as a vice captain of the team. Abdul Razak is the spinner in the team. Abdul Razak, well, he's a very wily left arm spinner. Imrul Kais has one century under his belt as far as one day internationals are concerned. I reckon it was against New Zealand, so he's just 23 years of age. Just see the age of the Bangladeshi cricket team. They are just averaging in the 20s. It's 20, 26, 23. It's absolutely, they are all in their 20s. Jarul Islam has been impressive in all the limited opportunities he has got, and he can also really slam the ball well. Junaid Siddiq, they are all typically bred for one day cricket, and I'm really hopeful that this time we are going to see Bangladesh coming out and playing out of their skills in the Asia Cup for sure. Mahmudullah is another very, very promising all rounder coming up, but of late he has not been into some best of form. So it's very essential that Mahmudullah actually shows that form that all the Bangladeshi cricket fans are all talking about. Mashraf-e Murtaza comes in. Mashraf-e Murtaza, well, he has been like in and out of the team. Well, he has to do something there, because he's a man with lot of talent. He's just 26 years of age, and I would like to watch Mashraf-e Murtaza not only perform with the ball but also with the bat, because I always have a belief that Mashraf-e Murtaza can be used as a real pinch hitter for Bangladesh, because when he hits the ball, it really it's like raw power coming up with the way he hits the ball. And I've always been impressed with his batting, even though he has not been having some big scores. But whenever he has got a chance, he really, really sends the ball high and deep into the over the turf. Mohammad Ashraful is there for his experience, and Mohammad Ashraful, well, if he gets going as he did in the 2020 Cup in some certain matches, oh, that would be a treat to watch. Naeem Islam is a very typical one-day batsman. Even Mohammad Ashraful is just 25 years of age. You know Mohammad Ashraful for a long time. He's been playing in Bangladesh cricket. Rubal Hussain, that is the most refreshing part of this Bangladesh cricket team. That's what I like about it. Just 20 years. If you see the age, they are all in their 20s. Rubal Hussain is well, he needs to really improve, but still he's like a slinging action he has, but still he bowls well. Shafiul Islam has been very, very impressive. He also impressed in the pitches in England where there was some seaming conditions. Shurwadi Shivo, limited opportunities. He has taken it with both hands, has done well. Syed Russell is another experienced player, and he gets an opportunity as a left-arm medium fast bowler. And what to say, the everything is going to be concentrated around one man, and that is Tamim Iqbal of Bangladesh. Tamim Iqbal will open the innings, and Tamim Iqbal is an absolute cracker of a player. And once he gets going, oh, the fans would just salute him for his play. And he is into some prolific form right now. He's coming on some great centuries that he has made on the tour of England. And I wish him good luck, and wish all the cricket fans in Sri Lanka, cricket public in Sri Lanka, get to watch Tamim Iqbal in full splendor. And let me tell you, Tamim Iqbal has to play a lead role. Not only Tamim Iqbal, all the batsmen, everybody has to come to the fore. It's very good to see. It's a very young team that we have. I think this is the most youngest team that we have in the whole circuit as far as the top cricketing nations are concerned. So Bangladesh, well, they have to just go on and just prove a point here to everybody. And Jamie Siddons would be really, really longing to get that. That's it, dear cricket fans, for Cricket Happenings. This is Ram finally signing off. Thank you.